Okay, finally our rendering. I will let you review this. I'll send you the elevation views. Elevation views being, they look like this. Print these out, mark them up if you want to make any changes. This should be correct, but let me know if you want something tweaked. Laundry room door, our base and upper. Microwave, oven, warming drawer. This cabinet goes all the way back, so when this door is opened, the shelf continues to the corner. This is a dead corner, and mind you, we have the duct work in here, so this bottom drawer is going to be modified or non-existent. Built-in fridge, drawer stacks, a tray divider, cookie sheet storage. There'll be a rollout behind the door, compactor, sink, dishwasher, and more drawer stacks. Mind you, these cabinets match the existing flooring, so these are pulled off the wall about 8 inches. If you're going to redo all the flooring, this may change, meaning this countertop could go back. You're not going to have as deep as countertop, obviously. And this sink cabinet right now is 42 wide, which is big. Most sink cabinets are about 36. So if we slid this bank of cabinets back, this sink cabinet's going to get smaller. That's probably part of the reason why they pulled it out, to make bigger space here. Anyway, these cabinets here with the angle, they're 14 deep, so we have enough room here for glass. The back of the island, paneling. You have that upper 42-inch bar. And this cabinet is really deep for the downdraft. Standard cab. And obviously we can see how short those are, or triangulated those are. So we have some dead corners here, but it is what it is. I guess we could make these deeper, but it's just so deep it's unusable. You wouldn't be able to reach to the back. I mean, this is 42 inches. Nobody's arms are that long to reach back there. So let me know if this is good, and I can finalize it and get it over to you. Thank you.